welcome to our ice cap lab in a tent.
Over there is Vatnajokull gorge.
Science day one, Glenn, how are you feeling?
Good, yeah, we're gonna go extract some DNA now. It's 6 AM, it's pretty cold outside.
How excited are you for our day of science?
What?
We took some samples from Vatnajokull. It's a geothermal hot spring gorge. It's about 3 kilometers north of the ice cap, and we made that trek today. So I collected some samples here of the soil just by the water. That was at about 60 degrees, and we're going to do some DNA extractions now and hopefully sequence them using Oxford nanopore sequencing.
We're really excited to see what microbes we find now that Glenn's found his samples. So back to the ice cap and doing some spinning on my part.
I'm spinning.
I need to disinfect my hands.
So to explain the setup a little bit, I've got all of my tubes here to do QIAGEN power soil DNA extraction, and then I've got the pipettes, pipette tips. This is my makeshift incubator. Inside a sleeping bag, I've put a couple of hand warmers in there, and currently it's at 23 degrees. It's warming up. In there I've got a couple of the reagents that are prone to precipitation when they get cold, as well as all the things that have batteries in them to keep the batteries as warm as possible. For example, this centrifuge here running off a Dremel drill, we'll keep that in here when we're not using it. This is a Terralizer. It's an adapted automatic hammer.
Move the spoon because they're in your face.
This is a Terralizer. It's an adapted automatic hammer, and you load your tubes into here, and it's basically just going to shake them.
1920.
You've got a choice between peri-peri noodles and chicken sweet corn noodles.
So once we've extracted the DNA, we'll use the qubit here running off a power add battery to quantify how much DNA we've been able to extract. So we have 65 nanograms per microliter of DNA.
What does that mean to a non-scientist?
No, that's the right amount. We need a threshold of DNA to start our nanopore sequencing, and we've hit that.
I'm wearing hard boots and goggles because these are going very, very quickly, and they would act like bullets if they came off. And also that's why Glenn's not doing this job.